G'day, I'm Eric Michael Kapp, and I'm an audio-visual storyteller based in Burbank, California, the media capital of the world. I'm also an expat Aussie who lived half my life in Australia before moving to America in 1992 to pursue my passion for music and storytelling. I run an audio-visual media production agency. You can see us at goldstreet.net, and we've been in business for 2 decades. We do everything from voiceover ADR to music production and podcasting and video production. So we have a couple of Mac systems running Pro Tools, Logic, Audition with plugins from Waves and Isotope and the Adobe Creative Cloud Suite. For mics, I have a Neumann U87, a EV RE27, a Shure SM7B, a couple of Sennheiser lav mics. My recording chain, my main mic goes into an Avalon 737 mic pre, into an Apogee Rosetta converter, into my Sapphire 40. And I also have an Audient ID44 for extra tracks. And that's all set up as an aggregate device. I'm monitoring on a JBL system. I've got a pair of 4328s, 6332 sub, and 5 25p satellites for 5.1. I mix with a Mackie control and extender. It gives me 16 faders and unlimited tracks for your banks. So that's it in a nutshell. Cheers, guys.